Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to duplicate databases in your Notion pages or workspace in a Notion website. So the first thing that I need you to do now is to connect to your Notion website with your Google or Apple or email, and or you can just open your Notion desktop application and follow these simple steps. So now I'm going to create like a database. So I'm just going to click new or a quick add and add a table, which is basically a database, and have, for example, let's just take a source from here, read and list, and now I'm having this database. So basically now to duplicate it, all you need to do is to right click on the page or the database that you have and click on duplicate. Otherwise, you can just go at the top corner or on right and click on the 3 points here and click on duplicates here, and you will have your database that will be duplicated. Otherwise, you can just click on the database that you want to duplicate and click on Control plus D of your keyboard, and you will have your database that will be duplicated. As you can see, now it is loading, and now we have 3 duplication of our page. So basically this is how you duplicate your pages in you duplicate your databases in Notion. Thank you for watching and see you next time.